Hello, today I'm going to show you a very affordable way to make a teleprompter. The recording device is my Samsung Note 9 phone. The teleprompter has been made out of a black folder which I got at a conference. One side of this folder has been cut out and a photo frame glass has been fixed in place. The black folder is opened and held at an angle of 45 degrees. The casting device is an iPad or a tab. The reflection from the tab are reflected onto the glass. Now I'm just going to turn this camera and show you my black folder. This is the basic unit of the teleprompter. You can see the camera mount over there, phone camera mount. On this L-shaped device placed on a tripod, and the teleprompter is supported on a light stand here. The base on which the teleprompter rests is a wooden plank like this. At the exact center of the wooden plank there is a wood screw inserted inside. The thickness of the wooden plank is about 3/4 of an inch. This is the wooden screw. It will screw into the top of my light stand here like this. And then when it is in position, it can support the teleprompter. This is my teleprompter. As you can see, it is just a black folder. It has been placed on a light stand here, and the camera, phone camera, is mounted on a tripod with an angled attachment. This is a frontal view of my teleprompter. This is the base resting on a light stand like this. The basic unit of the teleprompter is this black folder, which is opened up here. You can see up to the edge over here. And then to cut out the light from the sides, I have added two more black folders which just go over the teleprompter and totally cut out the light from the sides. You can see there is some gap at the back over there. I will be fixing that with the Velcro to cover that chink of light coming through. At the back, it's well covered. There is a black cloth here. The camera is held over there, and you can see my hand over there, which is recording. There's the quality of recording there. See the light over there. So there is no reflection on this teleprompter from either the side, or nor is the glare from the glass visible. This is the close-up of the script on my tablet. Now it is in the play mode. The script will scroll when I speak. The teleprompter app which I am using is a one available on the Play Store called PromptSmart Pro. In case I am stuck, I can also control the script movement with my Bluetooth mouse over there. This Bluetooth mouse controls the tablet through an USB device over here. See? So as I scroll the mouse, the script will also move. So you are totally in control and you can be very confident in expressing yourself very well on the screen. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.